Well, nobody likes to talk or think about death, but surveys show about 2/3 of Americans don't have any kind of a will or testament. And leaving your estate up to the state can cause a lot of headaches for your friends and loved ones. Valley News Team's Gabriel Osler has more on the need for a plan.
Since we're retired and getting closer to the other end.
Caroline and Lauren Brorby were in good spirits despite us approaching what some would consider a maudlin topic. They've lived in Fargo for over 40 years and want to make sure their whole family, including 3 adult children and a grandchild, is on the same page regarding their estate.
I've seen examples in my own family where after the parents pass, the siblings just don't speak to each other again because of some disagreement.
So they sat down with Aaron Larsgaard of the Walt Johnson Law Firm to get everything sorted out. The first thing skeptics about drafting a will should note, doesn't take nearly as long as you'd think.
Average timeline from when people come in to our office for that first meeting to when they're signing documents is probably a month.
In making the decision, you want to create a will or do some estate planning. Once you get over that hurdle, it's easy from there. It really is.
And the benefits of doing so extend far beyond simply having direct instructions for what to do with your assets once you're gone.
Doing a little bit of estate planning and preparation of the will is really giving you peace of mind.
I can't tell you how many people, when we finally execute their documents, they're like,
Larsgaard also took the time in our conversation to clear up some common misconceptions regarding wills and trusts.
People will come in and they'll say, well, if I don't have a will, everything goes to the state, and that's not true.
The Brorbys, meanwhile, are now happy to carry on in their retirement without any of this type of uncertainty hanging over their heads.
She came well, very highly recommended, and we really enjoyed working with her.
In Fargo, Gabriel Osler, Valley News Live.
Experts added there are a select few clients whose wishes line up with what the state would have already done, but it's best to speak with an expert to get that confirmed before you choose to proceed without a will.